I'm here today as part of my role as Treasurer of the Executive Committee of TIME, which is UQ's global health group. We're very fortunate to have Mr Trent Dean, the Head of Clinical Governance of the Royal Flying Doctor Service, and he's got a very exciting announcement to make.
The Royal Flying Doctor Service and Queensland section is very excited to be able to offer TIME members an opportunity to work with the Royal Flying Doctors. There'll be an opportunity for 2 students from medical and nursing streams to apply through the TIME organisation, and they will receive an opportunity to be part of our Star Workshop later this year, and then in the following end of part of the year we'll be able to do 2 weeks in our clinics with our teams out on the field, either in an aeromedical or primary healthcare facility.
In addition to being offered these placements, TIME is putting forward 2 $500 bursaries to support students in meeting the financial requirements that these placements will involve.
So in the history of Reverend John Flynn, we're trying to create a mantle of safety across Queensland, and this goes a long way to create a future where our doctors and nurses will be encouraged to work in the fields of aeromedical and primary healthcare, and we look forward to partnering with TIME.